I'm Mitchell.
And I'm Ryan.
And this is the 4 Fabric News.
This is a new video series that we're starting today. We know it's been a while, probably about 8 months, some would say.
Yeah, it's been a little bit.
Some would say 9. Trying to think, why did you stop doing these videos?
Our videos then were mostly just box openings.
Yeah.
And at the time, we were able to keep up with it mostly. We started getting like bigger shipments. We were getting like 5, 6 boxes where it's like, you can still fit it mostly in frame, but it got to the point where we just couldn't keep up with the boxes in terms of recording each one of them. Had to train some new people on some new things and just didn't really have the time to follow it up anymore.
But basically it's a good thing, right? Because that means we've gotten a whole lot bigger than before.
Significantly bigger.
We're even looking for another warehouse.
Oh yeah.
Right? Yeah.
We're ready to upgrade.
Way more fabric than previously imagined, I think.
Yeah.
So that's kind of crazy. Speaking of fabric, what do we have going on?
We have a mystery kit starting next week.
Ooh, a mystery kit.
Yes, it starts on Monday, September the 20th.
Yes.
This is what we have.
This is what you're here for.
We lost some papers.
Oh.
So we have our dates on this paper of when each kit is going to be started. It should be every Monday. A new week will be posted with new quilting instructions to do on this kit. We have.
Oh, so they only get them like once? Or
you buy the entire kit one time, and then every week, every Monday, we post new instructions for what to quilt next, what new block, to where then the final week, which is October 25th, it will be actually putting the whole thing together and getting all your stitching actually on it and stuff.
So they have no idea what they're making to the last.
At the moment, you have no idea what you're making.
That's a pretty big gamble.
It is.
But
you can also check out our past ones on our website. I can put a link for that below.
True.
And hope you can put your trust in us for that.
I was there for the last one. It turned out pretty good.
Yeah, I'd say so too.
I think everybody seemed excited.
We had a red and a green version on that one.
Yeah. And do we have a second version of this one?
We do not. This one is just
the one.
Just this one.
Just this one.
It does come with a little goodie that we have for you, so everyone can expect to get this in your kit.
Oh, that's a pretty sweet pattern.
Yeah. Actually has our name at the bottom too.
Oh, really? Yeah. Is that an original?
Or
does it just have our name on it?
I think it just has our name on it. I don't think we created that.
Whose number is that? Is that yours?
Yeah, this is our number. You can call and or text us for anything you need. Like
so this kit, what can we expect from this kit? What do we got here? It looks like we got some, was it orange plaid? Is that what
Yes, it is called Autumn Avenue.
This is Autumn Avenue?
Well, not that piece.
Oh, the entire kit.
The entire kit.
The entire
called
kit.
It Autumn Avenue.
This one single.
Oh no.
But it's a nice orange plaid.
This is all from Moda, designed by Fig Tree, and the collection was
It was Fig Tree Fabrics. The collection is Pumpkin Blossoms.
Pumpkin Blossoms.
Pumpkin Blossoms. Yes.
So that is what this kit is mostly based around, on fabric-wise.
Is there any pumpkins?
I don't think the group actually has pumpkins itself.
So it's just called Pumpkin Blossom?
I think it's because of the orange in it.
Yeah, I could definitely see that being the case.
So this kit will take a total of 6 weeks to complete. Starting, as we stated, this Monday, September the 20th.
20th of September.
Yeah, that date.
That's the day.
That's the day we start.
Which is not today.
It's not today.
It's next week.
It is next week.
Monday, right?
Monday,
September 20th?
September 20th.
September 20th, Monday, next week.
So yeah, this kit is available. You can go purchase it right now on our website. I will put this will be at the top of the link in the description. Like you don't even have to click that show more button. It'll be right there.
Top link in the description.
You can click on it right away.
This has some nice deers. What is it? Just a group of deers is deers, right? Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
I'm not exactly sure on that, being honest.
Or are they goats? This one looks like it has horns. Either way, fantastic.
We have the orange plaid, now we have a gray plaid.
Gray plaid.
Some green leaves.
Green leaves. I am a fan of green leaves as opposed to brown ones.
I think these are circle dots. Gray circle dots?
Circle dots? We'll skip the circle dots. We'll go on to this is a pretty cool pattern.
What is that called though?
This! One might even call it stars with lines. It's pretty unique.
I think it's flowers, wouldn't you say? Or is that not really a flower?
I don't know if it's a flower though. This is also a very unique pattern. It's nice. It's nice. That's what I'll say.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. So yeah, you can expect this next week, September.
Yeah, we're starting this next week. So
you can also expect more of these videos.
Yes, we're planning on starting this up. Starting off at least once a month.
Yeah, we're not going to do that weekly thing just yet.
Gotta figure out how long these take
Figure out how long, how if they're worth it.
Yeah.
What we need to do differently, maybe.
Yeah.
We also plan on doing a couple of neat things with their videos. At least personally, I thought of these.
Yeah.
Like a top commenter or top shopper, maybe.
Yeah.
Or,
We will feature you on the video.
yeah, as in like a shout out. We're not gonna actually have you come down here, be in the video. But
I mean, unless they might be in the area.
unless you work it, not worth it. Unless you feel like it,
maybe.
yeah.
We can figure it out.
Yeah, but the possibilities here, they're endless. There is
lots of brainstorming ideas.
there is some ends to them though.
Yes. True.
What else were we thinking about doing?
Responding to comments.
Responding to comments.
Yeah.
Yes. If you have any questions, concerns, or you just want to compliment us, let me know. We'll respond.
Yeah, we will.
We
might even be showing up in this video.
might even read the comment in the video.
Yeah.
Wait, showing up in this video?
No, not this video. I mean,
Okay.
the following.
I was like, how
yeah,
do I respond?
I meant the following.
Okay.
weeks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Unless we can do that.
I mean, I don't think we can like time travel and do that though, can we?
Probably not.
Yeah.
At least not with.
That'll be the next coming videos.
Yeah, the next video. If y'all comment on this one, tell us if you like it. If there's something we should change, let us know.
Any ideas you have,
we'll
we're
respond
listening.
to it.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. I don't know if I'm putting it back together the right way.
You're not.
Oh.
You already messed it up a little
What?
bit, but it's okay. I mean,
So we're not gonna send this to you.
or we can. We can sign this paper if they want it.
True, we could autograph it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know if
think
anyone
our
really want
autograph's
that.
worth
Yeah,
anything.
probably not.
Is there any other news for Fort Worth Fabric News?
Not for this week, other than expect more from us.
I know recently we just received Polar Journey. I know a lot of people were waiting for that one. We also received Don't Forget to Dream, which is a very nice flannel collection.
These all pre-orders being cut right now.
Yeah, I actually unpacked them myself.
Oh.
And then the third one, which was Swan Lake. Swan Lake finally came in as well.
So if you got a pre-order on just that, you can expect that pretty soon.
That's another big one. And then we are expecting later this month, for sure, Call of the Sea, I believe.
Is that what it is?
It's Call of the Sea or Call the Sea or
I think I recognize that name. So I think so.
Calling of the Sea. If you're feeling called to the sea, we are getting a collection that features the
Hopefully
sea.
by the end of this month.
Yes, and I know a lot of people have been waiting for that one as well. And then there was one more, I thought. Rhythm and Hues. We just got some of that today. Not all of it though, but we should be expecting the rest of it coming in pretty soon. So those are just some things that are coming soon, that are here now, that y'all can be excited for.
Should be out the door here pretty soon.
Pretty soon. I'm trying to think. I think that's about
really,
it though.
That's really all we have.
Yeah.
So if you enjoyed this video, there's a like button down there. If you could click that, that'd be great.
Is it gonna be right there?
Somewhere along here, yeah. There should be a like button.
Like
if you
button
enjoyed it, like it. If you
and
didn't,
vicinity.
I mean, you can dislike it. That's okay.
It'll hurt my feelings.
Yeah, maybe a little bit, but any comments you have, like I said, we'll be reading those and responding. So you can leave a comment. You can hit that subscribe button with the bell next to it, so you get notified when we upload next.
You get to see more videos like these. Maybe even better videos.
Probably better. I think we can only go up from here.
You can only go up from here. We're at a great start.
Yes.
You can only go up from here.
Exactly.
Previous videos, this video, and then the upcoming videos.
Well, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. This is Mitchell. I'm Ryan, and this is the Fort Worth Fabric News. Whoever gets the most like on their comment, we'll put Mitchell's number on this for you.
I didn't know that's
You
how
can call him afterwards.
Yeah, still in the frame, by the way. I'm just kidding. You don't have to.
They didn't really give us a script or any instructions on how to do this. Just be you.
Be you and start it back up.
Yep. You didn't do a good enough job. That's why I got put in here.
Welcome to Fort Worth Fabric News.
Welcome to Fort Worth Fabric News. You beat me to it. Are we supposed to say it at the same time?
Do you want to?
Let's try. 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Fort Worth Fabric News.
That doesn't sound right. That doesn't work.
Welcome to Fort
Worth
Fabric
News.
No,
That's not really good either.
Hey, welcome to Fort Worth Fabric News. Hey, welcome to Fort Worth Fabric News.
I'm Ryan.
I'm Mitchell.
And this is Disney Channel.
Okay. I'm Ryan. Go. I'm Mitchell. And this is Fort Worth Fabric News.
Buy this mystery kit.
Okay, you don't have to be so aggressive with them.